inquisitive over, huh? Yes, it is. You got to investigate everything. Come on. Come on, I'll let you see this pencil and eraser. Come on. Oh my goodness, look at there. There's a pencil. You can't eat that lead, honey. It's too hard. No. But you're going to try, aren't you? You're such a pretty baby. And here's the eraser. We're drawing a picture of you. Come over here so I can see you. Come over here so I can see you, pretty baby. Don't pick at that old piece of paper. Come over here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You're so busy, aren't you? You're such a pretty girl. Such a pretty baby. Yes, you are. Don't you want to see the pencil and the paper? Come on. Here's the eraser. Come on. And I'm going to get a brush out, which means that another thing that you can find irresistible. Yeah. Something else that you can find irresistible. Come on. Ooh, see? Yeah, this is a brush. Come see what it is. Yeah, you can't eat that. But it's different, isn't it? You do this with it. You paint with it. We're going to put the grass in there for you. Come on and you'll see. Come on. You're such an inquisitive baby girl. But you're so smart. You're so smart, you want to know what's going on everywhere, don't you? You're such a pretty girl. Do you think you should say, hi, Pamela? Hi, Tyler. I like to eat my pencil that's drawing my picture. It's pretty hard, you can't break it off. But she's trying. And here's the eraser. I've used that a lot of times too. And say, hi Tam, hi Brittany, hi Thomas. How about Lori and Tim? And Tamara's David. And little Skylar. Tamara's grandbaby. Such a pretty little boy. And you're a little girl, a beautiful little girl. She's a mourning dove. A true mourning dove. But she's so smart. She is so smart. Aren't you? And she's so pretty. She's a beautiful baby. Well, come on over here. Come on. You can come and see it. Nobody will hurt you. We love you in this house. We love you in this house. Yes, we do. We love you very much in this house. Ramey loves you. Paula loves you. Grandma loves you. You're going to have footprints all over that paper. What's Grandma going to do when I want to paint it and frame it for Ramey? What's Grandma going to do with them little feet print all over there? Yeah. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Did you say hi to Lindsay and Rob? They're going to want to see you too. I just know it. Now how about David and Mona and Joshua and Gabrielle And how about Dawn, my granddaughter? And Ray. And little Hannah. And little Noah. He's a busy little boy, winning trophies. He's going to state this year because he's so good. I bet you would love to see that, wouldn't you? So come on over here. Come on over here. Come on, pretty brown eyes. Come on, pretty brown eyes. If you kids think I look terrible, I do. Didn't feel good last night. But I thought I'd come out here and play with her a little bit. She's been real antsy today. She wanted out of her cage this morning, just pacing back and forth. Then we come out here and put her in her cage, and she just paced back and forth till we let her out of there. She just wanted to go on an excursion by herself. Come on over here by Mama. Come on. Come on. Come on over here by Grandma. Come on. And Cindy wants to see you. And Paul. And I bet Jenny would like to see you. I bet she's homesick to see you. Boy, I'm telling you, you get tired quick, don't you? Do you get tired quick? Do you? Well, okay. I'm going to do something else, and I know you'll be back in a minute. Because I'm going to do something else. Yeah. I know you'll be back in a minute. Well, what's she doing over there? She's doing something else, aren't you? That's what it's all about. Little Miss Inquisitive. Yes. That's what it's all about. Come here. I know you. Come here. Come on. I know what you're going to do. Yes, I do. You're a sweetie. Come here. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I bet Lori and Tim's dogs would like to see you. Don't you think so? They'd have a fun time with you. They might even hurt you, which we would not want. No. You're such a pretty girl. We would not want that. Look at those pretty brown eyes. Oh, what are you doing? You want to see what I've got here? Give it a try. It's water. Well, you can try. It's just water. Yeah. Just water. I know that. Just water. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Just pretty baby. I know. You're such a pretty girl. You better get all you want of this, because you get no more when I put it in paint. Because I don't know what's in the paint. The paint could hurt you. And we don't want that. No. You've just got to play with that, don't you? Well, did we name all the kids? Well, Veronica and Chris and her 3 babies. Little Destiny and Sabrina, and then we have baby Christopher that would love to see you. They don't live very far. They might come over here and see you. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? Oh boy, that would be.